coconut milk, pineapples, blueberries, bananas, potassium, folate, manganese, magnesium, digestive health, cognitive health, anti-inflammatory rich, antioxidant rich, you name it. What are we doing today at the Spice, guys? Pineapple smoothie. Let's get it. Alright guys, what are we doing today here? Before I show you a close-up like I always do, I'm going to go ahead and start this session off with some butterfly pea flower tea. Look at how antioxidant rich that is. The darker the color, the more antioxidants, the more potent it is for your body, the more it will decrease the free radicals in your body. Also, the flu, the cold, a broken toe, you name it, guys. That's what antioxidants do. Decrease, doesn't eliminate, decreases the free radicals in your body. So we're going to go ahead and take a sip of that before we start this session right here. I'm actually going to leave that in and not even cut that out, all right? Beautiful. All right, so here we go. We're going to do a homemade coconut milk first. Then I'm going to go ahead and add to this big glass right here for our pineapple smoothie. This is very simple. Homemade coconut milk. Why? First is because I don't care for all the carrageenans, the xanthan gums, the thickening agents, the whole 25 list of ingredients that are included in commercial type of store-bought milk. I don't like it. I don't want it. If I can go ahead and detour around that, that's what I'm going to do. So the only ingredient in this bad boy right here is going to be, you name it and you guessed it, coconut milk. So I have about 1.5 cups. You can do more in a regular blender or a food processor, whatever you want. I'm just going to go ahead and add some water. I'm going to leave about that much from the top so it's going to expand. Okay? You could do the same thing with almonds. Make sure you soak them overnight to decrease the phytic acid. You could do hemp seeds, which are beautiful. I have that in the video. You could also do walnuts, whatever you want to do. Okay? That's it for the coconut. Any type of coconut is going to do. This is going to be unsweetened. Alright? This is a ninja. Let me go ahead and explain something to you. I've used in the past a food processor. I've used blenders. I have 1970 blenders sitting right there. I use them all the time in this show, guys. They're beautiful. They work. Do you need a Vitamix? Do you need a Blendtec? Do you need a Black & Decker? Do you need a Hamilton Beach? Sure, they all work good. I've used them in the past. But at this time, I'm just going to go ahead and use this guy right here. That's all I'm going to go ahead and do right now. So there's 2 ways of straining this. 2 ways. Well, there's more than 2 ways, but I've only used 2. Okay? This right here is a hemp bag. It's a nut milk bag. You can use it for anything that you want to use it for. As a matter of fact, I have so many down here, right here. Okay? You can buy them in a 2-pack, a 3-pack, a 4-pack. Buy them on Amazon. Some are bleached. Some are not bleached. Make sure you buy the ones that are not bleached. Those are the kind I prefer, whatever kind you want. I'm going to use a smaller type of one. So, let's say you don't have a hemp bag. What do? Do you strain it through a regular colander? Well, the holes are too big. So, this is my second go-to. Actually, I switch off between that. Right here. You dump it in here. You take a ball jar, you go like that, you push it down, and guess what? That is it. It's the same thing pretty much. But I'm going to go ahead and put this back over here. I'm going to take the hemp bag, I'm going to take this off. Very simple, very easy. We're going to take it, and we're going to pour it. Okay? I'm going to put that there. You already see, look at that. It's straining awesomely. There's going to be no extra pieces, nothing in the final product, okay? If you do want to kick it up a notch, with a little bit of things that go in here. I'm going to show you real quick when I'm done with this. All right? So you kind of push it down and you squeeze it. Okay? You take it and you squeeze it a little bit more. So what I like to do, I go ahead and twist it like that. Okay? If you don't have, hand strength or wrist strength, just see if you can get the most, the most juice out of there. You're going to be left with dry pulp. Okay, this way is really good because it's really dry. You can use it in salads, you can put it in burgers, you can do whatever you want. And pretty much that's it, right there. I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands. Now, this right here, I'm going to show you up close. This coats the bowl very well. This is just pure coconut milk. That is it, my friend. So let's say you wanted to add a little more ingredients. Let's say, you want to get some salt in there. Well, guess what, guys? You can tap it with a little salt. You can even do cinnamon. You could do organic maple syrup. Do you see how easy that is? This right here is beautiful. So, now that we have that, we're going to go ahead and make our pineapple smoothie, okay? This is really easy, really simple. Where is my stuff at? So this right here is your best friend. Well, it's my best friend right here. This is for ball jars. It fits this type right here. It fits this type. It fits, where is it at? It fits this type. It fits these guys right here. Okay? It makes it simpler because it's wide, so you don't spill a lot of things. Okay? Take it like that. Let's see how much we're going to use here. We're going to use about that much. Right there. Put that down. We're done. So the bananas. I want this somewhat nice and creamy and somewhat thick. So I'm going to use about a banana and a half. Okay? If you want it less thick, then use less. So now we have some pineapple, fresh pineapple. That's it. I'm going to put it in here like that. That might be a little bit too much. No worries. Just drink it because it's pretty much just coconut milk. So that is so good. That is amazing. So that's what we're going to do right here. We're going to go ahead and put this cap back on. And we're going to go ahead and give it one more, all right? Let's see if that's exactly what I'm looking for, guys, all right? That's looking really good, all right? Really good. As a matter of fact, I'm going to taste this right now. That is it. Bananas, and we're looking at pineapple. I'm going to go ahead and pour it into this guy right here. Just enough. You can drink that throughout the day, whatever you want to do. That is a big glass. I'm going to toss some blueberries in there. Just like that. I'm even going to hit it with some pineapple on the side, like that. Beautiful. Beautiful. And awesome. I'm going to hit it with a few more blueberries on top. Maybe a raspberry over here. Your leftover pineapple, I want to show you what I did. Right here. Your leftover pineapple, put it in a little jar, put some blueberries or raspberries or whatever you like on it, and put a top on it, put it in the refrigerator for the next day, okay? Let me go ahead and show you what's going on with this guy right here. Look at that. Stick a straw in there and you're pretty much good to go, guys, all right? So what do we have going on here? We have the bromelain for the enzyme, right? Digestive enzyme, correct? That facilitates the proteins better, quicker, and faster. And that's what we're looking for. Bromelain is for digestive health. It is amazing. It has so many properties and does so many things. We have an anti-rich, anti-inflammatory, just a beautiful pineapple smoothie. When you look at it like I do, this right here, it's a powerhouse. Thanks for watching The Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph. Until next time, be safe, be well, be yourself, and do what's right for your body, guys. Thanks for watching.